Hi everyone, my name is phantasiart and today I have some art of my original character, Baal. I don't really have much to say about Baal because they are kind of like not developed at all. They're a demon from hell, obviously, and in their world it's like the world is divided by colors. So there is this Celeste Kingdom, which is blue. There's Flavum, which is yellow, and there is Roxo, which is red. But there's also Hell, so the underworld, which is which is called Schwarz, which is black. So and there's also Heaven, but I haven't developed anything about Heaven. Basically, there are a lot of species such as demons, angels, shapeshifters, anything you can think of. There's probably a species for. I haven't written much of it, but the protagonist, Mars, is a little inventor from Flavum, because Flavum is a kingdom that is purely scientifical and magical at the same time, like technomagia it's called. And they basically make devices that work with magic but are pretty much like microwaves, lamps, and that kind of stuff. So Flavum doesn't allow outside people to be inside, so it's a pretty closed off nation. Celeste doesn't allow anybody that isn't like religious, and Roxo allows everyone in, but it is a brutal town, which is commanded by a force other than democracy and stuff. But yeah, that's about it. I wanted to talk about my day, honestly, but I don't have enough time in the video to talk. But basically, yesterday, after class, I got out at 9 p.m. I went home with my friends, and things got messy. Like, a girl drank too much alcohol and ended up throwing up in my bathroom and like passing out. um, but yeah, that is the adult life, I guess. It was fun though. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and bye bye.